A particular bus runs 7 minutes in a busy city. The table shows the waiting times in minutes for the 60 buses to arrive at its stop. So here we got the waiting times from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, etc. up to 7 minutes. And these are the number of times they had to wait between 0 and 1. For example, here's the number of times they had to wait between 3 and 4 minutes. It says write down the modal class and work out an estimate for the mean waiting time for a bus. So the modal class is the class with the highest frequency. So the class with the highest frequency is this one here. Right, so the modal class will be from 3 to 4. So the modal class is between T being between 3 and 4. Estimate the mean. Well, one way to do it is to make the table and add some extra columns. We'll add the midpoint, and here we're going to add an extra column where we're going to multiply this by the frequency. So the midpoint of 0 and 1 is 0.5, going down to 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, and then we do 0. So between half a minute will happen 4 times, so we multiply that. So 0.5 times 4, and we do the same. 1.5 times 7, 2.5 times 12, 3.5 times 23, 4.5 times 11, 5.5 times 2, and 6.5 times 1. And then what we do is we add these up, and we know that they should be 60 because we're told that in the question, and then we add these up. And then an estimate for the mean will be this total here divided by this total here. So an estimate for the mean will be 190 divided by 60, which gives about 3.16 minutes, which seems roughly okay looking at the original data. So this has been a video to show you how to do an IGCSE question on modal class and estimated mean from a frequency distribution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.